obviously look like the bigger man out there. But I think it's gonna be a good fight.
Did you take anything away from Pacquiao? Normally kind of smiles after like a second or two. Yeah. He wasn't smiles up there when he was eye to eye with him.
No, Manny Pacquiao, he's ready to go. He's coming to win tomorrow night.
Do you think that talk kind of got to Manny a little bit?
A little bit. I heard he was trash talking, so I never seen Pac-Man trash talk. So maybe he is under his skin.
And Eddie, you think he's got enough power to knock out Pacquiao?
I want to say, I think he has enough power to drop him. Yeah, he has enough power to drop him.
All right, you think he would have to do it in the early rounds?
But it would have to be like a counter punch, like how Marquez caught him or something like that. Or timing him coming in, because Pacquiao's always jumping in and out. And if he times him with a shot, you could probably drop him. But other than that, I probably don't see him drop him.
What's the most, I guess, special aspect of Pacquiao? If you had to pick one.
Footwork, speed, and angles, weird angles. He's like, you can't train a fighter to fight like that. You know what I mean? You can't train a fighter to fight like how he fights. It's just like a style he developed as a kid. It's like Prince Nassim Hamed. You can't train people to fight like that. It's like certain styles that just you develop. It looks like you're doing it wrong, but it turns into look to something good. And they just master their style. And that's the type of style Pacquiao has.
How much do you think age is going to play a factor?
I think age is always a factor, especially if you're playing a young guy in his prime. Like I said before, like Pac-Man is a legend. You know, he don't even have to do this. You know? So it's like he don't have to do this. So I mean, the only person benefiting out of this is Thurman. So Pac-Man's in a win-win. You ask me.
Any prediction about this fight?
Like I said before, I think it's going to be a good fight. I think it's going to be an even fight. I think it's a 50-50 fight. I think Pacquiao can win. I think Thurman can win. But if I had to go with somebody, I'm going to go with Thurman on a split decision.
So you got to go in the distance.
Yeah, it's going to go to distance.
In this fight, you think you...
But I can see it going the other way. Majority decision, Pac-Man. You know, so...
In this fight, you think the youth of Thurman can outweigh the experience of Pacquiao?
Definitely. I mean, Thurman has some good experience too. He's been in there with some good fighters at this era, so it's going to be a good fight, like I said before.
Just a strategic question. Thurman was talking about he wants to go to Pacquiao's body. Because people haven't done it before. I feel there's a reason why people haven't done it before.
Yeah, because you're going to be counted upstairs.
See what I mean? Do you believe that?
You're throwing those straight punches upstairs. It's like, oh, right. I can see him going to the body if he get on the inside, because Pac-Man's not a good inside fighter. Like, you never see him fight on the inside. But it might be a good plan. But I asked Broner that too. I said, Broner, why don't you go to his body? But like right hand, and he said I couldn't. His feet are too fast. So always easier said than done.
Thank you, Danny. Appreciate your time.